Now that is a sharp knife. All of the steaks, all of the date steaks into a razor sharp at the tip. All natural skewering. Okay, it's time. Running through the sand pit first, skewer goes in. Feel the heat just coming in, and they're also doing it by the wind, so you can feel the heat just radiating. Okay, next one in. Gotta be fast. Ooh, yeah, that smoke burned the camera. Yeah, melted the camera.
It's melting really.
No, it's okay. Yeah, you can hear that.
وقت گرفته حاجی
How does it feel down there?
It's hot.
Roasting. Oh, that's hot, yeah. I think they're all on the grill now. I think that's everything. The ribs, the legs. You can see the fat starting to melt into the sand. That hiss, that smoke, the whistle of the fire. It's gonna be in the, we're gonna call it the lane or the alley, the lane of fire for 3 hours. Slow roasting.
Right, come and sit.
Okay.
Give it to Rambut.
اینم جلوی فیلمش بدم به شما بخوری. نوش جانت. این دستا شما بگیرید.
Yes? Yes. Merci, Mamnoon. This is an ultimate Balochi feast.
Cash.
Just the outside has fully crispified. Listen to that crunch. Listen to the crispiness, and then you get in the center and it's just perfect. Look at, oh, look at that fattiness. Oh, unbelievable. Look at that piece. The glisten, and that's just crunchy goat with fat.
I'm expert in finding the best pieces.
Wow. Oh, that tastes like... What's amazing about this technique of the way they grilled it is that the outside of it is crispy, and every now and then a bite does taste really good with a little lemon on it, fresh lemon.
الان اینو بگیره بعد میام تبرکتون.
باش خیلی ممنون.